Since 1894, Lackawanna College has provided life-changing educational opportunities for young men and women in our region. We recognize, though, for many of you high school seniors, that the coronavirus has had a tremendous impact on you, and in some cases, you're missing important milestones that you'd look forward to this year.
With so many unknowns right now, I'm sure you're asking yourselves a lot of questions. As a family, can we afford to send our son or daughter away to college? What should I be doing? Where should I be sending them? Should we be sending them away, or should our students stay local? We want to help rebuild in northeastern and central Pennsylvania the public health sector and safety and our regional and local economies. To do that, higher education is so important. It is our responsibility to help rebuild.
Lackawanna College wants to help you achieve your dreams. If you're a member of a graduating high school class in 2020 and you took dual enrollment courses through Lackawanna College, we have a special scholarship designed just for you.
Our dual enrollment scholarship for the class of 2020 is a special incentive. If you enroll as a full-time student at Lackawanna College for fall of 2020, and you took dual enrollment courses with us over the course of the last year or two in your high school, we will scholarship you back the exact money that you invested with us for your dual enrollment program. If you decide to stay for year two, we will double your money in scholarships. But it gets better. If you decide to stay with us for a bachelor's degree and finish your junior and senior year with us, we have up to $3,500 a year in incentive scholarships to reduce the cost of your education and reduce your higher education debt.
Wondering how much money you might be eligible for? If you've taken any dual enrollment courses through us before, reach out to Jeff Gregory, our Director of Admissions, at 570-961-7868. And hey, if you haven't ever taken any dual enrollment courses through us before, reach out to admissions at 570-961-7898, and they'll work with you to see how we can help you achieve your dreams.
This has been such a difficult and challenging time for each of us, for our families, for our friends. We want to help this community rebuild. Higher education plays such an important role for our communities and families, and we're here to help. Please check us out, lackawanna.edu, and let us help start your life-changing journey today. Stay safe and healthy, everyone.